Let us look into the math or the numeric functions. The first function is absolute. It will return the absolute value of a number. So absolute value of minus 15 will give me 15. Then there is a cos. A cos will give me the arc cosine of a number. So arc cosine of 1 is zero. Then a sine of 0 will give me 0. A tan of 1 will give me 0.78. Then a tn 2 0.78. Average salary from employees can be calculated on a particular column. Ceiling will always give me the higher up value, like 4.3 will give me 5. Count will help to return the number of records. So count star will give me the number of records that are there. Cosine will help me to return the cosine values. Cos of 0 will give me 1. Cot, it will return the cotangent of a number. So cot of 1 will give me the value. Degrees, it will convert radians to degrees. So degrees of pi, that is the number pi. 3.14 is 180. Then there is exponential. It will give me the exponential value of a number. So exponential of 1 is 2.7. Then there is the floor. It will always give me the lower value. Here 4.7 means it will always give me the lower value only. So this will give me 4. Log is the natural log that gets calculated. So log of 10 will be 2.3. Log 10 is based on algorithm.
Miss, I'm not here. You're muted.
So here log 10 of 1000 will give me 3.0. Max will return the maximum value. So max of salary will give me 95,000. Then the minimum, it will return the minimum value for a particular column. Pi gives the pi value, which is 3.14. Power of 2 comma 3 will give 2 to the raised to the power 3. So 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Radians, it will convert degree to radians. So when I say radians of 180, it will give me back the pi value, which is 3.14. Rand will give me the random number. So any random number it will give. Round will round up a number. So when I say 1, 2, 3.456, so it will look at 6. It is more than 5. So this will be rounded up to 0.46. Now we also saw how I can specify negative precision with round. Sign gives me the sign of the number. So when I say minus 50, it will give me minus 1. If it is 50, then it will give me 1. And if it is 0, it will just specify 0. Sign will return the sign of the number. Square root of 25 will give 5. Square is the squared value. 4 square will give me 15. Sum will give the sum of the salaries that is there. Tan, again tangent value. So these are the various numerical functions that we have.